To add image in circle in Canva, let's come over to our create sign here. You want to pick a document size you want to work with. I will go over to social media here and I will choose this Instagram post document size. From here, I'm going to come over to my elements here and I will come down here and come over to frames. I will go to basic shape and click on see all, and you have all the circle frame type come out. You have this one that is just plain and you have this fancy ones. Let's add this fancy one and also bring it down. I want to give you two options, and let's add the plain one and let's bring it up. Now to put image into the circle, we are going to go over to our upload. You want to bring your image using the upload file here, but I have some images in here already, so I'm going to find those images. I'm going to drag this and pull it into the circle. You see the image is now inside the circle. I'm going to click on the image and click on crop here so that I can be able to pull out the part of the image I want to be seen, which is her face. I'm going to stretch this out like so, and I'm going to bring this down. Let's reduce the size of our page, and you want to stretch out, and let's bring her coming in beautifully like this, and you click on done. You see we have the first image inside the circle, and to add the second one, I'm going to pull this image and drop it into this. We'll do the same thing, go over to crop, and you see our image is inside this crop circle, and we can decide to pull or leave it as is. You can use this to position the image how you want it to appear in the circle. Once you're happy with it and you want to download this image to be a circle as it is, you want to come to share here, click on download. You have to download with a transparent background that allows you to have the image without the white background. You have only the image and you hit on download.